doctors do not. We're doctors.
Archeologists, they like bones and ancient civilizations. Archeologists, and one of them's gay.
Yeah.
Okay, there we are. We're here. We're here. Hold it up to this guy.
Yeah.
Our computer works fine.
Perfect. Hashtag YOLO. Put the shell back.
It's part of the...
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
And he's got a bike. Kick it.
Kill him.
Done.
It's trying to put a vision in my brain.
What is it?
It's flying. It's a flying dead thing.
You're having that dream.
There's a flying dead thing in my dream.
That's not a dream. That would never be a dream.
I have a goat horn for a face. I have a goat horn for a face. There's dirt and we're in a desert. There's a cloud, you're wearing a shoe, there's dirt. Over there, I'm looking at the sky, now I'm looking down, there's a well. Your pants are gray, I'm flying, there's a mountain, there's
We're rich.
We did it.
We want to... Money.
Perfect.
You're wearing a hat, I have a tail, there's a rock, you're drinking a cocktail. You're sitting, I'm upside down, you're upside down. Penis on a rock. I have no friends on Facebook. One of my legs is jiggling, one of my eyes is out. Your phone's ringing, British Columbia's calling.
All right.
One. What's this?
Just get rid of it.
Kid, wake up. Kid, wake up.
Where's the pilot?
Shit. Okay. Okay, I got you. I got you. Oh, yeah. Yes. Kid, wake up, kid.
Girls, what are we doing in space?
Wait.
It is.
Jay, mommy.
No.
Bready, going spaghetti.
That was wild. James, we're here.
What?
Okay, next question.
Wait, the one that we were. You. $.
I have this golden gun.
I'm gonna take that.
Tea towel. Dish soap. Scrubber. Fork. Fresh scented. Broom. Swiffer picker-upper. Baking soda. Steel wool. No.
Works for me.
On me?
First man. Wait, he's dead?
He's dead?
Go. Wait. What? Swimming bikinis?
Some people call it the Jello effect.
Or the Wiggly Biggly?
Or the Wiggly Biggly.
Or the Wiggly Diggly?
Wiggly.
Or the
Biggly, diggly, biggly.
There's a lot of different variations. The Wiggly Wiggly Jello bones.
There you go.
Fine. Braces.
So I hope that helps. You can hop.
Get rid of them.
Too much work. You lost your skin.
Doctors.
Archeologists, they like bones and ancient civilizations.